Hi everyone. Just checking around my portfolio, and uh, I'm not gonna show it. I don't want to show it online. It's nothing too. It's no big deal. But I'm just I'm looking at Chisel. It's gone up again, and Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash 18 cents, and Litecoin down 7 cents. Um, Diesel tends to swing between 300 and 400. It's a good trading stock if you want to trade it. Um, it's for people that uh, day traders and what's that? Swing traders. Um, not for long-term investment. Although I have 5 shares of it. Uh, Long term, I think GSOL, even though their network's always busy and they have problems, um, it's something that's going to be up there with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Um, the same thing with Cardano. I think um, it's going to have a good impact, and it's going to rise pretty well long term. Um, um, I was thinking about Luna, but Luna they disintegrated last year. I mean, the blockchain is still going. I don't know any blockchains that have failed. To tell you the truth, um, they're unbreakable. Uh, I was looking at some news articles about Michael Saylor. I think I'm not sure who he is or what he is. He's one of those people that just pop up out of nowhere, and he becomes an expert on something, and he's gonna have an interview with the press every day. Um, um, he says it may go up to what, $13 million or so, Bitcoin. Um, anything's possible, and it could. Imagine if you hold on to these trusts. Just imagine. And that's what I am thinking doing long term. Just imagine. Just imagine. Shoo. I mean, I don't know what to say. We're all thinking, 500% or 2,000% or that would be, I don't know. I would have to sit down and go in a calculator to figure out how much one of these shares may be worth. If Bitcoin goes up that much, these are gonna shoot up quite a bit. How long it's gonna take, I don't know. Like I say, there's a huge demand for cash, huge demand for money. People need cash to move economies and so forth. The dollars and the dollar is strong, but the governments are weak, and this is an alternative. Take away the money from the governments, and you have you have something different. New territory. I don't know what's going to happen, but so far it's very positive. It's very safe. There are problems, of course, with storage and scams, and we're going to have that for a long time, as long as we have wealth not being distributed among the people properly, and that's the way it is now, and that's okay. Hopefully we fix that. This is one of the ways that we can all try to stabilize things. These trusts can make a lot of us very wealthy, life changing. And I'm not talking about a couple $1,000s. I'm talking about millions of dollars at a time. More for some, less for some, but it's life-changing money, heavy money, heavy-duty money. Not 5%, or that's how much banks used to pay, 5% like 30 years ago. And what do they pay now? Like a fifth of 1 penny percent or so. Crazy amounts. But this is heavy money. Heavy money. I like that. Heavy money. Okay. What else did I want to mention? Just hold on. This week, I kind of just think we're just going to go sideways. We may have an update tomorrow. The day after, we may have another down day. As long as we go sideways, okay. But I hate it when oh my gosh, my account is down $7,000. I mean, we've seen that. Everybody sees their account, different amounts for everyone, but oh my gosh. If I didn't know better, it's like another time I would probably have panicked and said, I've had enough. I'm selling before it goes to zero. And that's what happens. That's what happens, guys. We panic and we sell. We sell off. We hold on if we can. Hold on as much as you can. I show you that graph in one of the other videos, and phenomenal graph. And it's alive. I mean, it's alive. I like that. Last April, May. This past April, May. It's alive. It's not dead. It's alive. And it's just the beginning. That's just the beginning of the small pulse. Just wait and see. Okay. Let's see. That's all I wanted to say for now. I'm kind of enjoying these, making these things. Hopefully it inspires some of you people to get in. Buy a little more if you can. I'm not selling anything. I'm not affiliated with Grayscale. It's not financial advice. You do whatever you want with your money, but if you got some spare that you can buy a little bit more. Everything's going to be worth a lot in the future. I've never seen a graph like that. I mean, it's alive. That's a heavy money, It's not just that, and it just didn't go up, and then it just boom. It kind of just went. It's alive, boy. It's alive. I love that Frankenstein movie. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys some other time. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.